Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to make this, but they keep having leaks when they're doing it. If you zoom in real close, he's got some leaks. Now what we're going to do it his way and just kind of show you a better way to do it. He's taking an ellipse, holding down the control button, hitting P, and then he's taking a 2-point line, holding down the control button and hit P, and then Control D to make a duplicate and rotate it 15 degrees. Now, the only problem you're going to have is everything's got to be perfect from here on out. So if you take a 2-point curve, the 3-point curve line, and go from that quadrant to that intersection, you can hold down the control button and you get a perfect arch. But then you have to, let's take away our lines so we can see our indexing lines better. Control D and make a duplicate. And this is where he's having the problem. It looks like we're in the center, but if we rotate it 15 degrees, let's take away our arch for a minute. See, we're not perfect. So my suggestion, you don't have as much control maybe with the size of the arch, but if he will take just a square and with your ratio, edit corner ratio unlocked, let's make this 3 inches. This is going to work every time. Control D to make a duplicate, put it on that node and rotate it 15 degrees, and then Control D all the way around. And then all you have to do is weld it. And this will not leak, I guarantee. Now, I don't have as much control because I can't visually see how much that arch is. And there's a lot you can do with it. And what I like about it now, it's all one piece. You could keep going and playing with this. I don't know what his plans are, but if you take a 2-point line and go through the center every time, and then, whoop, didn't get it, node to node. And if you would color this in with a Smart Fill tool, let's make it green. Let's take the interactive fill tool and let's put maybe a light blue down here. Now I'm going to continue with this, but I'm going to make a clone of this. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of our outline, and I'm going to go ahead and get rid of our lines. I'm going to make a clone of this. So I'm going to go to Edit, Clone, and I'm going to rotate. Now you have to be dead on the center or on that node. We're going to rotate it 15 degrees and then Control D all the way around. And if you haven't watched one of my, or somebody's video on cloning, this is your, let me get rid of the indexing lines. This is your control curve. This is a clone curve. So now we could take this, and I call this real time, that you could change the color of the whole thing. You can actually watch it happen in real time. You could put some more green there, put another blue. I'm getting a little bit off here in the subject, but I don't know what his plans were with this. Boy, it really changes. It's amazing what it can do. Wow, getting pretty ugly here, Doug. Anyway, that's how I would do it. I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.